Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to start your very own Shopify store with a free trial. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and for good reason. It's user-friendly, customizable, and offers a wide range of features to help you build and grow your online store. And the best part? You can start with a free trial, so you can try it out before committing to a paid plan. Click the link in the description below to start your free trial. Step 1. Sign up for a Shopify account. Go to shopify.com and click on the Start Free Trial button. Fill out the required information, including your email address, password, and store name. Step 2. Customize your store. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard. From here, you can start customizing your store by choosing a theme, adding products, and setting up payment options. Take advantage of the free trial and explore all the different customization options available to you. Step 3. Add products to your store. Now it's time to start adding products to your store. You can add products one by one, or you can import a large number of products at once using a CSV file. Make sure you add high-quality images and detailed product descriptions to entice customers to make a purchase. Step 4. Set up payment options. Before you start selling, you'll need to set up payment options for your store. Shopify integrates with several payment gateways, including PayPal and Stripe, so you can choose the one that's best for your business. Step 5. Launch your store. Once you've added your products and set up payment options, you're ready to launch your store. You can launch it to the public, or keep it private and only share the link with friends and family for testing. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Shopify store, ready to start selling products. Remember, the free trial gives you access to all the features and customization options that Shopify has to offer, so make sure to take advantage of it. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out to the Shopify support team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.